Hey everyone, this is James with WSTrades.com. I want to provide an update on ticker HKD or AMTD Digital. Before I get to that update, I want to say if you are looking for a trading platform and if you would like some free stock, head to the comments and description section of this video. If you use that link to sign up for Moomoo, you can receive 15 free stocks. Alright, so HKD or AMTD Digital, in my last update, I was talking about a key level around the $70 mark, and I said if we got a close below that on the 15-minute time frame, then I saw it coming down to test this area here of about 67, and we got that. It looks like the first candle of regular trading hours closed right below this key level here at around 70. And then we made that move down, and we actually tested and blew through that $67 mark. It came all the way down here to 64. So bounced nicely off of that 64 level. Then we touched that 64 level again here in pre-market perfectly. Bounced a little bit, so we got a pretty nasty gap down here between this first candle of pre-market and the second candle here, but right down to that 64 level, and then kind of bounced off of that and is floating right now above 65. So about looks like we're sitting right at about 65.82 right now in pre-market. So some key areas I'm looking at on the chart right now, definitely looking here around this area of about 67.29. That looks pretty key. So that $67 mark, I think, is still pretty key here. I think if we can tick up a little bit, tick up a few bucks here and close above this 67 level, maybe about 67.47, it looks like. About 67.5 bucks here. If we can get a close above that level, I see this thing coming all the way up here and hitting this area back at about $70. And then to the downside, that looks really key to me, right there at that 64 mark. Since we touched that 64 mark during regular trading hours yesterday, then we rejected it perfectly here in pre-market today. I think that's a key level there at 64. Let me see if I can adjust the time frame out a little bit to see if we can identify, okay, some levels below that. So let me zoom in here a little bit. All right, so 64, if we drop below 64, let's just say the sellers can close this thing below that $64 level here on the 15-minute. I think this thing is going to come down and hit this area here of about $59 or $60. So I think we can make a pretty decent move down there, a $4 move down there, and then I'd kind of be looking at that level around that $59.60 to see a buyer step in and we can support that level, or if it's going to blow through that level and close below that level. So some key prices I'm looking at on the 15-minute time frame for ticker HKD or AMTD Digital. Please like this video. Please also subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed. Hit that notification bell. Appreciate you for taking the time to watch this. Talk to you soon.